To Best Car Fixes, this is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. We have an ABS control module in this car. We have codes, and the code is here. You see here, this is let me go to the DTC. This is a code U3000 and say control module. I don't know, he said general check some failure for the ABS, even though we have another loss communication with the front camera and also body control module, pads and BCM. Good morning. Yes. Okay, so let's see if this will be fixing the problem. The ABS, it have an update. Hopefully it will fix it. You see here from current level 219 AF 219 yellow apple. The car is not running, right? Yeah, the car is not running. So I'm gonna try to see if I can update this, and if the update will fix this problem.
Like the tougher.
Which one?
Nissan.
Okay. If you are driving, okay, we are looking for the checksum. Copying data from the network, as you see here. We don't know why we have U codes in the ABS module. Cluster. Okay, it said that there is a programming available for it. Turn the key off, turn the key on. You think that the configuration of the module can cause that? I don't believe so, but we're gonna erase ABS programming. We're gonna update it to the latest software and see if that's gonna fix the problem. Radio protocol, we can configure it. Never know if really is gonna work. This one. Okay. Is it from here? Huh? Yeah. It's very clear, right?
Huh?
It's very clear, right?
هو بس الواير داك مش ولا
الواير ده هل في سبيس كان دارنا لها موصلوك؟
هو فوق.
I know في سبيس لو ولا نمر كل مرة برا. We have good space, ها؟
ما بيحتاج
خلاص.
داك مسلك.
خلاص نفصل بس نطلعه برا وبعدين نشوفه له الطريقة بتاعه.
السلك مالي بالشاب كويس.
جوا ما كويس، مكسور الكوبس ده ما بمسك جوا. It doesn't grab. عشان كده we need to tight it. We need to solder it. Ignition is on, yeah. I have to click tick. Clearing the DTC, then we see what happened. Let me turn the AC off. We are clearing the DTC. After we clear the DTC, we can see what's going on or what we need to do. Stay with us, please. Okay. Now I clear all the code. I program it. Still we have a U3000 code. Still we have this instrument cluster, control module, and loss communicate with the accessory control module. Okay, let me put that one back. Yeah, in this car here, I believe we need to get wiring USB from here to the radio, that kit there, before we have to program the sync, and the sync is no more on the IDS. You have to, from 2011 and up, you have to use even if we update the computer, still we have the U3000, and we have this module here is used from another car. So what we need to do, we're gonna get the cables. As soon as we get the cable, we're gonna update that sync. Hopefully it will work. If it's not, that means code, we have to look at all this code particularly one by one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.